Today we're going to be going over the weight command. So inside of a VISI file, we can go into question mark weight. Weight will allow you to view the weight based off of a specific material and see what your part is going to be weighing off of. So for example, we click on the solid block and you can see what the weight is depending on whatever material you have assigned. The weight is based off of the pounds per cubic foot in inches and grams per cubic centimeter in metric. So for example, with ordinary steel, you can see the pound of that specific block in ordinary steel. We also have the ability to create a center of gravity. So what that's going to do when we confirm this command is it'll create a center of gravity based on the solid or the solids we're selecting. So as you can see, we'll switch it to wireframe view. You can zoom in and see that center of gravity application point. So now we're going to continue on with the weight command, and we're going to select a couple of different solids here. So if we pick these specific solids, we can assign a weight and have that weight automatically populated inside of the assembly manager. So we have ordinary steel selected. If I go to assign material and say yes, it's going to assign that material. It'll also add a new field into the assembly manager called weight when we select assign weight. So this is showing a combined effort of all the weights of each item. So if we go to the assembly manager and we search for that specific item, you can see what material it has and then the specific weight. We can check each one of these blocks in here and see the weight fluctuate, and as you can see, it populates the material as well. So if we check this riser, you can see how it's going to show a specific weight to that riser based on the material we assigned. So not only that, we can also automatically add our own materials. So if the material list here doesn't have the materials that we want, we can go in and add our own. So going into File Explorer, we go to the weight.cfg, which is inside of your user profile folder within the VISI directory. We go to the weight.cfg. The initial weights that you see are in metric. If we scroll down a little bit to the bottom, we can see the materials in inches. So we go to the inch materials as we're working in that right now. We can highlight our material, copy it, paste it. We use the next available number within this material area. So we're going to choose 25. Let's just say this material is going to be a 4140 material, and the pounds per cubic foot would be, for example, 493 pounds. We'll go ahead and save this out, and when we go into our weight command again, you'll see that 4140 material added in automatically. This could be used to quickly measure in a weight, add the weight into the assembly manager, and add that weight into your materials list. So as you can see, here's that 4140, and you've got your specific weight for that material.